Guys, so day 2 yun, second day na namin dito no rice pero masarap naman talaga.
Masarap ka.
Hindi ka naman kami lagnat ako mainit na nga
Talaga nila pagod.
Nilalapit talaga nila kasi yung kumot-kumot ng nahuli mo.
Okay.
Namo.
Ayan, so sobrang bigat na makaramdam ko pero laban lang at sa kakain dito.
Kasi nag-ano kami kagabi, nag-cruise kami.
Nag-share
so, diba, sumadyang puno. So, nakapulang kami. Kaya si Banong yung, nangyari sa ibang.
Naturuhan. So kami ngayon sa street dito sa Vietnam. And tinatry namin yung mga kainan dito. Gala dito kasi parang ano kayo, parang nasa children's park. Kami dito, tatlo na ito pag-isa. 100. I'll take this one. Everyone.
Lagay mo dyan.
Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa bus dahil kami punta ng Mekong River. So, magaling na tayo ng kaunti. Wala na yung lagnat-lagnat, pero medyo masakit tayo ulo. Ayan, samahan nyo kami pumunta sa Mekong River ngayong araw dahil ito ay whole day activity. So, ayun, kami ay papunta na ngayon and sinundo na kami ng tour guide namin dito. Kita-kits tayo dun guys sa venue kasi na-excite ako kung ano itsura nun. So, medyo mapahinga lang ako. So, yeah, so see you there. May nakalimutan.
May free one. Hi, Tweet. Yeah.
Hi, Wee!
Okay, today I'm very happy and honored to be our tour guide here. Today we go to the Mekong Delta. The Delta, inside the Delta, we have Mekong River. We call Mekong Delta. Very simple. From here to there, around 80 kilometers. Just cost us around 2 hours for moving. But don't worry, later we have the rest stop for you. We stop at the rest stop around 50 minutes. You can have coffee, go toilet, or have breakfast. The bread up to you, okay? And then we go straight to the front destination. At the front destination, we have the second toilet for you. Don't worry, toilet everywhere. Okay, this one. Before we start the trip, this list, very important for me and for the driver. Without this one, we must pay more than $1,000. Yeah, maybe the driver pay, not me. So that's why, please, this one, please write your full name here and birthday, but just only year. Here is enough, okay? Everyone, please, right here, and then you give for orders. Then give back to me. And everyone, do you see the water in front of you?
Yeah.
I put the water in front of you already. Yeah. Okay. About the tour program. Today we go to islands. The first we call the Unicorn Island. The second we call the Coconut Island. Mekong Delta. We have totally 13 provinces. Today we visit 2 provinces because our tour just happened in 1 day, not 2 days. If we have today, we go more. Okay. The first that is the Unicorn Island. We have dragon, unicorn, phoenix, and turtle. At the Unicorn Island, no unicorn at there. That is just the name. Okay. Why we call unicorn, dragon, phoenix, and turtle? Later, I will introduce for you on the way we go. At the Unicorn Island, because the street at there different with the street in the city. At there, that is the lowland. So that's why the soil, the street, always wet. Yeah, wet and moist. So that's why when you walk in.
Anong feeling ng manggulo ka habang may natutulog?
Ano feeling mo sa langgo? Sino may kasalanan? Sino nang gulo?
So, energy tayo guys.
Province, we call Dang province. We take check the name Ting Sang, we call for the Mekong River. You can call Mekong River or you can call Ting Sang River. And ladies and gentlemen, over there that is the Dragon Island. You see the island over there on your left, over there. They are fishermen, they go to the sea for fishing. You can see their boats, right? Over there. That boat for fishing and this boat for carrying customer. This one around 20 to 30 meter deep. So that's why if you take photo or you make the video, please careful, okay? If you drop your phone here, you can buy the new one. And behind you, that is the city. The city named Mỹ Tho City. Named Mỹ Tho City. This when you come inside, you will see the chair. I will arrange the chair, the seat for you. One chair, 2 people, and then bring the fruit and the tea for you. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, please look on your left. Over there, that is the floating house. Floating house. You can use some tree, look like coconut tree or the bamboo tree or banana tree. You stick together over there, and then you build the house on that. And everyone, later when you go to the land, please take everything with you, because I'm not sure later we will come back this boat again. Maybe they will change their boat. In the situation they change the boats, if you let something in.
Land of Dawn. Nandito na tayo sa Land of Dawn. Papunta tayong Ierdisio. La, sige doon manggulo habang may natutulog. Ibigan, nandito na nga tayo ngayon. Kararating lang namin sa kabila kasi pinakita ko sa inyo yung buong ganap kanina doon sa Mekong River. Ayan, ang mga bading ay nasa unahan, as you can see. So, ayan. Pero maganda rin naman din dito. Unlike sa Cambodia, yung tubig nila is more than clear. Diba? So, hindi namin alam kung saan nadadiretso nito, pero tingnan natin.
Gulot ako.
Lipat-lipat muna tayo guys. Kami sa taas. Ayan.
No, Jeko dito.
Jeko doon ka na.
Dalawa-dalawa nga.
Sibak.
Hindi tayo mag-iingay for today's video.
Tapos ito yung magiging reaction natin, mapait.
Papakla. Magkamli.
Sila guys, papaya tuloy, pakuan, bayabas, munggan, pinya, tsaka dragon fruit. Pero meron din sila guys, so tignan nyo, chili. Kaya natin siya guys. Tsaka, kakaiba sa kanila, wala silang maliit na bayabas, no, lahat malaki. So tatry natin to, gamit yung asin, tsaka asin nila na may chili, tsaka yung plain na asin. Pero tatry natin yung asin na may chili para magising tayo.
Pinya para sa singaw na hindi gumagaling, hindi pa rin gagaling.
Sa atin, di ba yung inaano pa, para umanghang. Kasi para hindi siya masyado kumakapit sa asin. Ito kapit na kapit, di ba?
Sana yung pinya hindi makatisip.
Ayun ba yun?
Diba?
Sarap.
Sabi mo, shock.
Ala,
Oh, shock. Ito ba yung malanglang pa?
ang mga king-king na kamot.
May kakaibang ketong ang mga kangan.
By Dr. Pakpak.
Sarap.
Do you know how to eat the longan?
Sige, Mi.
Ma, kabit mo as live. Kikip talaga yan, pre.
May puno siya ng durian, no?
Durian dyan.
Duhat
yan.
Durian to.
Duhat.
Ito ay puno ng durian.
Lo.
Brown ang puno ng durian. Santan.
Santang. Santan. Favorite flower ni...
Malaki yung santan nila, guys, so, compare sa Pinas. The coconut nut is a giant nut.
Yung nakakagat. Pagdagdag. Yung coconut na tubig.
Water coconut.
Come inside their house, you will see one small altar like this one. They put on the land. When we put on the land, not because we unrespect, okay? This one is our culture, yeah, religion, and he protect the land. This means he protect our house from the ghost. That is protect for our house. And you can see this God, he bring the gold, right? Look like the lucky, or you can call it money like that, yeah. And in here, in China, we have one story. That is one king. He escaped from the enemies. The enemies chased him, and then he escaped from the enemies. He go to one temple. He saw on the table like this one statue of this god sit in here, and he want to lie on here because on the land very cold. Yeah, he bring this statue put on the land, and he lie on here to have a rest. Suddenly the enemies they come, and he must run away again. But he forgot to put this god in here. But you know, in Vietnam or maybe in China, in the past, you know, the king looked like the son of the god. The king told you die, you must die, like that. And the king put him on the land. So that's why he must sit at there forever. That is the story of this one. Yeah. Why this altar? Actually, you must put in here, or you put over there. Yeah. Why here? Why this one here?
Narinig yun ang explanation of tour guide about sa kanilang gods. Hirap i-explain, guys, kasi bilis. Pero dito kami ngayon nakaupo sa Mala Children's Party. Pero
Favorite calamansi.
Garlic.
beef Poland.
Good daw yun para dito, be, sa ano, likod.
Just only one queen bee and so many baby. We call them honey bee. And the worker bee look at the name. Where's the worker? They make honey. Use the honey they take from the flower of longan tree.
Honey tea.
Calamansi and calamansi and honey.
Almost the fruit tree here is the longan tree. The honey tree comes from the flower of longan tree. If you look carefully, you will see the honey.
So ito para ito yung ginagamit natin pang ano yung panggamot sa ubo.
Ayun na, ang mga bubuyog na sa kamot niya na. Here we're gonna try this honey tea. Matamis na chismis. pinaghalong bee pollen, tapos kamalansi, honey, tsaka tsaa.
Magaling na ubo mo.
So, patry natin siya.
Sakto. Sakto ba lang?
Lady and gentlemen.
Ayun pang mukha.
Lasang saging.
The heart of bee. Inside that one, inside this one.
Kabog siya na ano siya, maasim na matamis na pinaghalo, yun.
The queen bee, she stay inside. Because outside they protect the family here. Because they sell the real
Sweet tooth.
honey.
Matamis, pero...
The bee really come from the flower of the longan tree. You see the longan tree surrounding here so much, right? The honey you drink come from this one. And if you see the special here, that is the honey, they look like the water, but actually inside no water. You can put to the freezer, and then this one never frozen. They just condensed. That is the real honey. And this one you drink very good for your liver. Yeah, that's it. Here, they will use the smoke, they chase the bee out, and then they take the honey. You can look carefully. You will see the honey. You see the honey?
Yes.
Look
Be,
inside.
yung may kulay, ano be, brown. Ayan, be, nasa loob. Kita mo yan.
Saan?
Hindi niya alam.
Oh my God, sorry.
Kiss daw, kiss. Kiss mo daw ang siya, kiss. So, ayan. Kanina nakita nyo yung ahas na binubuhat-buhat.
Nakakatakot.
Hadlock. Kung yung iba, pwede buhat. Ako hindi ko kaya yun. Maging history na lang ako. Hindi, talaga.
Oo, akala ko strong.
One, to get the good look, good business. You open a store, you want to sell everything very good, right? You can pay money. Different group, they come in front of your store, they dance. You will get good look and good business. And the last one, that is the turtle. The turtle is the small special in for animals because he is the real. Yeah, they are the real one. The turtle, they can live under the water, and the turtle, they can throw on the land. So we think everything on the land and under the water, the turtle will know. The turtle in Vietnam symbol for the people who have the wide knowledge. Yeah, have wide knowledge. And the turtle can live very, very long time, symbol for longevity. For secret animals in Vietnam, we use four of them we go for 4 islands. Yeah. And our destination, the next destination over there, that one. Outside, that is the district, the suburban. If you go inside more, that is the city. But today our tour just only 1 day. So that's why we just visit outside. We visit the coconut candy factory in here, the snake wine, another one. Everyone, yes, gather here please. Okay, everyone inside, that is the coconut candy factory. This one, just one of the so many factories surrounding here. They make the coconut candy. They sell for the city, they sell for every province in the south Vietnam. So, how we make the coconut candy? Okay, look at that please. First, you peel off, you remove the shell outside the coconut. Shell here, you dry, and you can use for cooking. Sometimes
Ay, nangupras mas lang.
some coconut come from this one. Yeah, here, from here, this one. And the water of the coconut in here we drink. This is the country you can drink, right? And this one we also use to make vinegar. You know vinegar? Yeah. See over there? You keep it there. You keep that one, and then you make vinegar. And this one we can use for cooking. Look like pork we steam with the coconut. We call the pork coconut water. We steam with the pork. Very, very, delicious. And machine. You shit it here, and then you dry. This one, so much time. But nowadays we have the machine here. This one just a motor for you to see. Yeah. And in the past we don't have machine. Put to the tower and then you must sweep. Nowadays everything.
Ay, magbibiko sila.
Just only press the bottom and the coconut peel here. Okay, please wait for me here.
Sarap yung mga pin. Na, saan man ta? Magkayod man ta?
Coconut milk. The coconut milk. You can mix with this one. This is the sugar, what I told you. This is malt. M-A-L-T. Malt. Yeah, malt. Sugar come from nature. This one. And look like later, you come inside, you will see peanut flavor, almond flavor. You just brush and then you put inside. You stir. You see over there, nowadays we have the machine, just stir over there. And inside, you can try so many flavor. And the product is inside. Okay, everyone, come here please. No one allergic with peanut, right? Okay. Everyone, you can try this one. This is the peanut flavor. Just the mouth wrap over there. After you try, you can come inside. You can try so many flavor. Okay? The flavor, which flavor? You can ask the shop on Joey. You can try it. Okay?
Peanut.
This one just only for try.
Good.
Coconut 2K. Yeah, 50,000 down for one bag. You Wi-Fi.
Plastic ra? Balong? Na ano? Crocodile. Artist, balong mo, tis.
Matigasan ka kasi yung ano mo. Ang putay-tok mo.
Take the bottom already out. Yeah. This one looks like Scotch whiskey. If you want to know, you can try this one. Okay, 1 or 2 cup, no problem. If you allergically tell me. This one is snake white. Allergic to wine or snake, you can tell me. Okay. And if your religion, you can tell me. We have banana white here. Yeah.
Gusto try ka man?
This one looks like tequila. Yeah. Before that, I let customer do here, and I try this one so much. Now, no more.
O, mga bakla, total alak na alak kayo.
This one is the raw banana. Why you know this is raw banana? Because this one you see, they still have the seed, right? Just only raw banana, they have the seed. Yeah, and this one is smart. They make with this one, with the rice white. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, now.
Pinas ha. Ito titikman natin.
Oh, you see that? What's that? 100%? You know, in here, if I give you 100%, it's mean I show you my hospitality.
Pagpalok talaga.
You! One shot, please.
Best shot mo na daw. Agoy.
So, ayun, testing natin siya guys. Tapang na ano. Na mabiki try mo.
Go muna, be.
At di na nga siya nagturo sa area.
Yes.
Diba, very Vietnamese yung look natin dito.
Oo.
Ay, peka ko dyan.
Hindi nak.
Ay. So, ayan, meron tayong taga Saguan.
Wala, sabi nga.
Chill-chill lang kami dito. So, makikita lang natin dito yung view, puro coconut tree. Ayan, so, nakikita nyo yung pinatikim sa atin kanina.
Ayan, ito yung mga yan siya guys. So, isang religion dito na coconut religion. Sa religion na yun ay ang tanging kinakain lang nila ay coconut. Yes. Yes, coconut religion. Kasi sa atin naman may kanya-kanya tayong religion. Meron din dito and coconut religion. So ang kinakain lang nila is coconut only. Sabi ng tourist guide ha. Yun lang, hindi ko lang alam kung basta yun yung sinabi. So, saan ba kami papunta nito? Parang pabulungan na to ata, nak.
That's your house.
Oh, bahay daw ni ate girl to. Parang low tide sila ngayon, nak, no? So, ayun mga bading. Tilok. Alo. Bukla, oh.
Si ate, nagtitinama.
So, ayan. Ito yung ano nila. Medyo mainit siya, pero sakto lang naman yung init niya, guys. Ayan, oh.
Ano ka nga lang.
Thing about
So,
sa...
dito sa boat na to is apat lang
Boot.
Hello. Ayan, so may dami sila dito guys. So,
Hello, bye-bye. Shanghai.
chicken curry pero ano daw to, lemon pinene. Yung soup natin, patatas at mushroom.
More ice. Thank you. Balong mangikan nga si Balong. Wala po siya.
Ako naman yung gulay.
Magi ka na. Ano lettuce?
Pataas! Magbunakit preschool Replas
Lahat
sa
Eluwilian ang kulay ng pink.
Sabi na ko. Yes. So nasa biyahe na kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung pabalik na ba to kasi pagoda ba yon. And galing kami ng Coconut Island. So, ayan. Ilan pa kami dito. So medyo mainit lang pero pala slack. Ayan. So, kita-kits tayo. Yes. Kami pa Team Forever Young. So, picture dada, picture. Yes. Na ako yung mic na kay Pito kay ang kuan ba surroundings kay Saba Mandiay. So nagbutang ko ka ng mic dahil kaya na siya. So yeah. Nga na siya. Alam niyo ba, sabi nila dito, sabi ng tour guide namin, bakit daw may mata yung ano, nilalagyan daw nila ng mata yung bangka nila, di kayong barko para daw makita ng daan, makita sa daan. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong story, si-search ko na lang siya mamaya. May story yung ano nila, yung mga bangka tsaka yung mga vessels nila dito. So bakit may mata siya? Ayan, so basta ganon. Antok yan! So, update ko na lang kayo guys mamaya kasi ang dami ko ng sa harap ko pa talaga. So, ang dami ko pinakita sa inyo kanina yung mga kaganapan namin. So, isakit sa tayo doon sa pupuntahan namin. And yeah, mag-enjoy muna kami sa view. Because I love the view. Basta. Edi kayo na. So bye guys.